Hi, Eden Valley Drones, good afternoon. I'm just down at Pooley Bridge to give you an update on the bridge, and I have to take off quickly because it's going to start raining again.
Take off.
So here we go. Let's go down and have a look. Let's get up to 180 feet. That'll do, 180 feet. Right, let's have a look and see what they've been doing. Just let's zoom in a bit. I think I'll brighten that picture up a little bit. It's a bit dark. That's better. Oops. Yeah, so they've been putting these stones in there. There's great big rocks on the riverbank. I think in another couple of weeks they'll have the footbridge in. Let's have a look at the walkway that's going up to the bridge. There's some scaffolding. So there's the walkway. And there's the foundations they've put in. Let's go around to the other side to see if they've done anything over that way. It's more or less the same. They've put some big concrete blocks in front of the foundations. And they put that walkway in there. That wasn't there last time. So they get in there. So as soon as that bridge is open, the road bridge is going to be taken out in September sometime. Of course, it's starting to rain again. I'll have to come back. It's raining. I have to come back quickly. Ah, it's raining really heavy. Swine! Why can't the weather leave me alone?
Landing.
No, don't land. Shit. Ah. Land now. Right, bye. It's absolutely pedaling it down. I have to go. Cheers. Oh, fuck's sake. Ah, my phone's all wet. Heavy weather.
It's closed. Come on, the dangers. Jesus. My camera. What have I got blurring on there? Good afternoon, Eden Valley Drones. Oh, I've just been filming the bridge and look. Soaking controller, my brand new Galaxy S10's wet. My drone's wet. Oh, this weather sucks, man. Oh, so I've just filmed some progress of the bridge. Then it started to rain as usual, because the weather forecast today said it was going to be dry. So I get up and it rains. Anyway, you'll see on the video of me rushing back to land. Then the heavens opened and I've got a wet shirt and everything. I stepped in a puddle and I've got wet shoes and oh god, it's just, I'm gonna have to dry that off now and dry all this stuff off. I have to find a cloth. I've got a couple in here I can use. Right, you know, it's like been 2 weeks of this and it's August, it's supposed to be summer. Anyway, if you like, I didn't have a chance at the end of the video to say thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel and thumbs up and leave a comment and stuff, so I'll say that now because I was so eager to land. I just couldn't get it all in. So thanks for watching, see you later, And hopefully on my next video there won't be any rain. Bye. Stop. Is that stop? No, that's stop. Soaking controller, my brand new Galaxy S10's wet. My drone's wet. Oh, this weather sucks, man. Oh, so I've just filmed some progress of the bridge. It has started to rain as usual because the weather forecast today said it was going to be dry. So I get up and it rains. Anyway, you'll see on the video of me rushing back to land. Then the heavens opened and I've got a wet shirt, everything, more. And I stepped in a puddle and I got wet shoes. And, oh god, it's just, I'm going to have to dry that off now and dry all this stuff off. I'll have to find a cloth. I've got a couple in here I can use. Right, and there you go, it's like been 2 weeks of this and it's August.